So what can you actually write off from your side hustle? Is everything a write-off? Is your personal grocery run a write-off? Is those clothing that you buy a write-off? And what can you actually write off to help lower your taxes that are legitimate? I'm gonna break that down for you right now. So when you have a side hustle, remember, you're gonna have to be paying tax on that because you're getting the money without any taxes taken out as opposed to working on a W-2. So you need to actually write things off from that income to lower your taxes. And my most favorite things that you can write off as a side hustler is first, your cell phone expense, the computer that you need to purchase or that you're using for your business. Maybe you have to buy a desk, your vehicle that you're using to write errands, and your home office that you're using. Those are some of my most favorite ones that you should be keeping track of to lower your tax bill. Now, there's some things that are a red flag when you have a side hustle that you cannot write off. You cannot write off that grocery run. You cannot write off that dinner that you had with your friends unless that dinner was to discuss business. You cannot write off clothing, that suit that you bought. Even if it's for a business event, generally suits are not deductible unless you have your logo or it's like a business uniform, right? So those are things that people always fall in the trap and try to write off and IRS issues comes up. But avoid these things and do what I said in the first 5 things that you can write off, and use some sort of AI software to keep track of this expense. I recommend Tabby. The link is in my bio. You can check it out. But it's really important that you don't write off things that you're not allowed to take as a deduction.